Nagpur, often called the Orange City of India, is a vibrant destination in Maharashtra. From spiritual sites to wildlife adventures, Nagpur offers something unique for every traveler. Here are the top 10 tourist places you must visit in Nagpur. The first one is Diksha Bhumi. Diksha Bhumi is one of the most significant landmarks of Nagpur, known as the place where Dr. P.R. Ambedkar embraced Buddhism along with his followers. The stupa here is a symbol of peace, equality, and social justice. Surrounded by lush gardens, it attracts thousands of devotees and tourists each year. The second one is Ambazari Lake and Garden. Ambazari Lake, one of the largest lakes in Nagpur, is a popular spot for picnics and boating. The attached garden is beautifully landscaped with fountains, walking paths, and play area for children. It's an ideal getaway for families looking for relaxation amid greenery. The third one is Futala Lake. Futala Lake is famous for its colorful fountains, evening lighting, and street food stalls. Spread over 60 acres, it is a hotspot for locals and tourists alike. The vibrant atmosphere at night with illuminated fountains and snack vendors make it a lively destination. The fourth one is Maharaj Bagh Zoo. Maharaj Bagh Zoo, built during the Bhosle dynasty, is one of the oldest zoological parks in Maharashtra. The zoo houses a variety of animals, birds, and reptiles, making it a fun and educational visit for kids. The surrounding botanical garden adds charm to its location. The fifth one is Sita Buldi Fort. Sita Buldi Fort is a historic fort built by the British in 1870. It stands atop twin hills and offers panoramic views of Nagpur city. The fort also houses war memorials dedicated to soldiers. Visitors can explore its old structure, bastions, and historical significance. The next one is Dragon Palace Temple, located in Kempty near Nagpur. Dragon Palace Temple is a stunning Buddhist temple with unique architecture, surrounded by garden and a serene environment. It symbolizes peace and harmony. The temple is famous for its marble statue of Lord Buddha. The next one is Ramtak Fort Temple. Ramtak Fort Temple is a beautiful blend of history and devotion located on a hill around 50 km from Nagpur. Dedicated to Lord Rama, the temple is believed to be the place where he rested during his exile. The fort around it offers great views of the surrounding landscapes. The next one is Narrow Gauge Rail Museum. This museum is a unique attraction showcasing the legacy of narrow gauge railways in India. It has old engines, coaches, and railway artifacts that fascinate both kids and adults. The toy train ride inside the museum is especially loved by children. The second last is Seminary Hill. Seminary Hill is a peaceful spot offering panoramic views of Nagpur. Covered with lush greenery, it is perfect for morning walks, meditation, and photography. The hill also offers a seminary that adds to its historical value. The last one is Pench Tiger Reserve. Thought located about 80 km from Nagpur, Pench Tiger Reserve is a must-visit for wildlife enthusiasts. Famous for its tigers, leopards, and diverse flora and fauna, it is one of India's premier tiger reserve. Safari rides allow visitors to explore its rich biodiversity.